Hey friend! In this video I will be reviewing the Zig Cocoiro Letter Pen for hand lettering and showing you how to refill the body of the pen. This is a super tiny brush pen with quite a firm tip. One of the unique things about this pen is that it is refillable. So you purchase the body of the pen, which is the light pink part of mine, and you can refill the inside with different colors of your brush pen. I've actually had this pen for quite a while without changing it out, and it still works great. I don't use it every day or anything, but I have used it over time, and this is going to be another pen that will vary in look a bit depending on how hard you push down onto it. If you don't ever push down hard on your pen, then you're not going to see a lot of differences in your strokes because it does take a little bit of pressure. So if you have been around for a while, you know that I tend to have a heavy hand, so you are seeing some thick and thin strokes in my lettering sample, but that might not look the same for you if you don't push down quite as hard on your brush pen. I did also want to show you an example of this pen without applying too much pressure. There isn't a whole lot of difference in your thick and thin strokes, so if that's what you prefer, then this might be something that you would like. I really don't know if not applying as much pressure to this pen will help it to last longer because I have had mine for quite a while and it still works great. So I think in general it's a pretty sturdy pen. And because I do have a refill, I wanted to show you how to swap out this pen color. It's super easy. You just take off the cap and then unscrew the body from the pen. Then I'm going to grab the new color and take off the lid of that one. I use the lid from that one to recap my pink one because I'm not sure where this part of that pen is. And then I'm just going to add the gray color to my pen body. I'm not sure if you're supposed to unscrew that cap or just pull it off of the new pen because it took me a little bit of time to get it off and I clipped some of that out for you. But yeah, if it takes a minute, don't be too worried because it took me a minute too. So I'm just going to show you an example of writing with this new tip. I'm pretty sure that I haven't used this particular color at all. So this is a good example of what lettering looks like on a fresh pen. And as is common, it's a bit rough on the first couple of strokes because this pen is so firm, but by the end it was feeling pretty good. I also wanted to test these with water for you. They are not water resistant, and as you can see they bled quite a bit, so I imagine that these would actually be really nice if you were using them to color in some illustrations or maybe like blending some colors together. I don't have any other colors to show you besides pink and gray, but they do have some other color options. And if you added some water to those, I think they would probably blend pretty nicely, at least according to the results from the water test. If you have any questions about these pens, feel free to leave them below. Thank you so much for watching and be sure to subscribe if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!